Hi guys, and welcome to my video tutorial on how to use the Saramonic UWmic15 Lap microphone. Okay, so when you come to collect your equipment, it will be in a carrying bag, carrying case like this. So open it up. Inside, you will find a receiver like this and a transmitter. Now you'll know which one is the transmitter because that will be the one with the lapel mic attached to it. Also inside the bag you will find two slide-in battery packs. Next thing you're going to need to do is to insert the battery packs into your receiver and your transmitter. So we have the transmitter here with the face of the battery pack with the latches on facing towards you. Push into the side like so and press in until you hear a click. On the receiver you will find there is a clip for clipping to cameras or to a belt. This does tend to interfere with when you're inserting the battery, so hold that clip outwards slightly and then slide the battery pack in and once again press until you hear a click. Next up, press and hold the power button on the front of the transmitter. Check that both of the lights at the top here are now showing green, and on the screen you should have a channel. This is channel 1 and a megahertz. So this one is showing 555.280 megahertz. So grab your receiver, press the power button until it turns on. Check that both the lights are green. Check that it is on channel 1 and the frequency is 555.280 megahertz, the same as the transmitter. If both the transmitter and the receiver are showing all green lights, this means that your transmitter and receiver are now communicating correctly. This also means that the battery power on both your transmitter and receiver are fine. If the batteries start to go low, the battery power light on either transmitter or the receiver will turn red. If you press and hold set, you'll see that the channel will be selected. If you need to change the megahertz, as in you need to change the frequency while the channel is selected, if you press the plus or the minus, you'll see you'll be able to change to different channels and change the megahertz. This is only really necessary if you have more than one set of these transmitters and receivers. When you're happy with your selection, press set. You will then need to do the same on the receiver. So press and hold set, and then using the plus and minus keys adjust the channel to match the transmitter channel. On the receiver, to adjust the volume, press the plus button and volume will appear. Press and hold set and then volume will be selected. Use the plus and minus keys to adjust the volume up or down. When you're happy, press set again to deselect volume and you've adjusted your volume. Finally, plug in your receiver, this attachment, into a 3.5 microphone input on your camera, which will look like a red headphone socket. Take your transmitter and attach the lapel mic as close to the mouth as possible. Double check that all your lights are green, and then you are ready to go. Your camera should automatically divert microphone input to the lapel mic, and when you pull out the microphone plug, the camera should automatically revert back to its inbuilt microphones. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.